Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Permanent storage facilities. Warehouses, garages and commercial storage lots provide the strongest protection. These fully enclosed spaces shield trailers from every angle, keeping cargo secure in any weather. Pros: built to last with sturdy walls, roofs and often climate control. Maximum security, locked doors, gated access, and sometimes surveillance. Ideal for long-term storage or high-value cargo. Cons: higher cost compared to portable options. Less flexible, you can't take the storage with you. Limited availability in some areas. If you need a set-it-and-forget-it solution, permanent storage is the way to go. Portable covers and tarps. For trailers that move often or need quick protection, portable covers are a budget-friendly choice. Heavy-duty tarps, fitted covers and roll-up systems block rain and sun without locking you into one location. Pros: affordable and easy to install, lightweight and compact when not in use. Great for short-term use or unexpected weather. Cons: less durable, wind can tear them and UV breaks them down over time. Minimal security since they can be cut or removed. Doesn't stop pests or dust as well as enclosed spaces. Tarps work well as a backup plan, but they're not a permanent fix. Hybrid solutions. Some storage options split the difference between permanent and portable. Retractable awnings, trailer enclosures, and modular shelters offer adjustable coverage without the bulk of a warehouse. Pros: more durable than tarps, but easier to move than buildings. Customizable, expand or collapse coverage as needed. Better weather and dust resistance than basic covers. Cons: higher upfront cost than tarps. Still less secure than a locked facility. Requires some setup and maintenance. If you need flexibility without sacrificing too much protection, hybrid systems strike a good balance. Each option has its place. Permanent storage gives the most protection. Tarps keep costs low. Hybrid setups offer the best of both worlds. Think about your cargo, budget and storage habits to pick the right fit. Key features to look for in covered storage. Not all covered storage solutions are created equal. The right choice depends on how well it stands up to weather, how easily you can load and unload, and whether it can grow with your fleet. Here's what to prioritize when shopping for trailer storage. Material durability and weather resistance. Your storage cover needs to outlast storms, heat waves and freezing temperatures. Flimsy materials crack under pressure, leaving your cargo exposed. Look for heavy-duty fabrics or metals that resist tearing, rust and UV damage. Polyethylene or aluminum-coated covers often last longer than basic vinyl. Reinforced seams that won't split in high winds. Double-stitched or welded edges hold up better. Waterproof ratings. Materials with a high hydrostatic head won't leak during heavy rain. A good test. Check the warranty. Manufacturers confident in their materials usually offer at least 5 years of coverage. Accessibility for loading and unloading. Storage shouldn't slow you down. If it takes 20 minutes to wrestle a tarp off or squeeze into a tight space, you're wasting time and money. Prioritize features like roll-up doors or open-sided designs for drive-through access. Adjustable heights to accommodate tall equipment or stacked pallets. Wide openings. Look for at least 10 feet of clearance for most trailers. Think about your daily routine. If you're loading or unloading multiple times a day, speed matters. Scalability for fleet growth. What works for one trailer might not fit 5. Avoid buying a new system every time you expand. Smart choices include modular designs that let you add sections as needed. Adjustable framing. Some kits allow widening or lengthening the storage area without full replacement. Portable options that can relocate if you change lots or routes. Plan ahead. If you're adding trailers next year, opt for a system that grows with you instead of starting from scratch. The best storage blends toughness, convenience and flexibility. Skip the cheap fixes. Durable materials, easy access, and room to expand save more money long-term. Cost considerations and ROI. Covered trailer storage isn't just an expense, it's an investment. While the upfront cost might seem high, the long-term savings and return on investment often make it the smarter choice. Let's break down the numbers to see how protection pays off. Initial investment versus long-term savings. Buying a covered storage solution requires upfront spending, but compare that to the recurring costs of repairing weather-damaged cargo, replacing stolen goods, or cleaning contaminated loads. The math usually favors covered storage. For example, a basic storage facility or heavy-duty cover might cost a few $1,000s up front. Unprotected trailers risk thousands per incident in repairs, replacements, or lost inventory. Over 5 years, uncovered trailers often accumulate several times more costs than a one-time storage investment. Think of it like insurance. You pay now to avoid bigger bills later. Insurance and liability benefits. Insurance companies reward protected trailers. Lower risk means lower premiums, and some policies even require covered storage for full coverage. Here's how it works. Reduced premiums. Insurers may cut rates for trailers stored under cover. Fewer claims. Fewer damages mean fewer disputes over payouts. Liability protection. If cargo spoils or damages another shipment, covered storage helps prove you took reasonable precautions. A single avoided claim could offset years of storage costs. Case study. Real-world savings. A construction company in Texas tracked costs for 2 identical trailers. One covered, one left open. After 3 years, uncovered trailer costs. Thousands in rust repairs and equipment replacements from rain exposure. Stolen tools with only partial insurance reimbursement. Cleaning and tarp replacements. Covered trailer costs. Upfront investment for a modular storage unit. Minor upkeep. No major damage or theft. Total savings with covered storage. Thousands saved over 3 years with ongoing protection for future hauls. The takeaway. Covered storage isn't just about avoiding losses. It's about keeping more money in your pocket. Leaving trailers unprotected is a risk that costs more than it saves. Covered storage shields cargo from weather, theft, and contamination while cutting repair bills and insurance claims. The right solution, whether a permanent facility, durable tarp, or modular shelter, pays for itself by keeping goods safe and reducing long-term expenses. Ready to protect your trailer? Reach out to a storage provider today for a quote. A small investment now can prevent big losses later. Your cargo and your budget will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.